Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about the elephant sanctuary here in Phuket. So if you do like elephants like I do and want them to be free and out of labor, abuse, then you have clicked on the right video because I'm gonna tell you about what is their purpose with this sanctuary. If you're new here, my name is Kevin and I'm a tour guide that shares all the best tips and tricks around the destinations that I visit. So what is the elephant sanctuary, you may ask? Well, they do take care of them and make sure they have the best life they can have, like 24/7 caretakers every day until caretaker dies and someone else takes over. So they will always have someone taking care of them, making sure they're living their best life. And they are based here in Phuket, where I was visiting also, which I'm gonna go into more in the later of this video. But I just wanted to tell you more about their purpose. So what they do here is to protect the green elephants here in Phuket and give them a safe home from all other people that wants to abuse them or in other kind of cruelty. And what you do here, you come here and you will experience different things about the elephants. You'll take care of the elephants and even feed them, which is super cool here on this little tour that they actually offer. So they do have to buy the elephants from these slaveries, and that's absolutely not cheap. What they do is save them from this misery that they've been through. They do have a lot of elephants with history that I'm also gonna talk about in the video. So before I continue, please give the video a thumbs up because it helps me tremendously. And I will also link the website to the Green Elephant Sanctuary down below in the description if you wanna see more about their tours and stuff. So I would like to tell you a little bit about the elephants they have, which is super nice. They do have one that is super old. She's around 75 years old actually. She does not have any teeth left, unfortunately, basically. The only reason that she can survive is because she has the caretakers. So she's really well, she has no diseases, she's absolutely fine, living her best life because she gets fed every day with super good food, less required to chew on and stuff. So she can always eat that when the other elephants gets the normal type of food that they eat. They have such a fantastic personality even in that age, and you could really feel it on their skin when you pet them. This elephant is so much older than the others. The others can be a little bit, they're smooth but it's rough at the same time, you know, so it's really cool. And they do have a baby there also, which is super nice that you can see that they're thriving, and that's just something that is really amazing, that you can see that they will actually reproduce more elephants and take care of all of them, and they are living their free life. They always come back for the food and they know where their really good food is, so they always come back to the caretakers. Then they do have one elephant that was actually stuck in lumber work labor its whole life actually, which is super sad to see. She is not very much people person just because of this, but it's very sad that like she gets abused this way their whole life. They knock something in the back of their head like every day, the whole day, so she will continue walking these lumbers, which is so sad that an elephant of like over 20 years old, and this is what she's been doing every day in her whole life. And you will get to know everything more in detail when you get here by the people that works there, because they really tell the story so much better. So that's just a brief story of some of the very interesting elephants that they do have. I do want to share the story of when I went there through the tour, where I get to feed them, give them a mud bath, even shower with them, and even go down to the little river. So when the day starts here at the tour itself, you get to have a little briefing before we start, and they will tell you a little bit more of the elephant itself. Then you will go over to the feeding, which is the favorite part of an elephant's day basically, because they eat extremely much. Their whole day is just eating. So here I got to feed many of the elephants, especially the little one. He was such a munchie. Like you give them and they just take it real fast. They're just munching. So it's super cool to see. They love bananas. At least this one did. I didn't even have chance to take more basically until it's all over me and want some more bananas. They do wave the grass before, and this is apparently because they need to get rid of like dirt and insects that maybe be on the plants or the grass itself. Then we come to a really cool part, which was the mud bath. The elephants get a mud bath and you will get there to join. So you will get some mud, put it on the elephants, like they have their own spa treatment, which is super good for their skin, and this makes their skin protected. So it's a very good treatment for the elephants that they always do in the nature anyway. So you get super dirty from this part, but it is super fun. Some of them are actually very ticklish around the belly area and their legs, so usually just put most of it on like the side. Don't tickle the elephants when you do this. After this, we need obviously to take the mud off of the elephant, so they go down to a little river. Some of them just instantly lays down in the water and enjoys the fresh water, and here we get some buckets to just throw water at the elephants all the time until they get cleaned, to get most of the mud off of their body, and they just love sitting here in the water and getting drenched. Then for the end part of this whole tour, you go into the shower section. In the shower section, you will get a brush. They will have like shower heads on top of the elephants, which will help them get super clean. So you go there with the brush and get the rest of the mud off of their body, and then they're super shiny and clean and ready to have a really nice day again. You can go and take a shower at the sanctuary itself, where you can also change to your normal clothing if you do have that with you also. After this, there will be a lunch included, and then they will take you back to your hotel. So it's just a fantastic day out. You will get to know so much about elephants, about the sanctuary itself and the purpose, which I feel is very important because I do love animals myself, and I think this is so much better than the usual way that has been before. So this is a memory for life. They will take photos of you all the time. If you want some extra memories to keep, they will always upload that for you also, so you can keep all these memories for yourself and share them on the internet. So guys, if you want to see more about my videos and what I do, please subscribe down below, and also watch this video here to see more about James Bond Island when you visit Phang Nga Bay and do the canoeing. Super fun trip to do, something you really have to. Until that, see you guys next time. Bye.